In today's video, I'll show you how to use the new Flekstore Certificate to install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad. And yes, you can do it without a computer. I have added a new signed certificate, and now you can use it without revoke, so the installation will be much more stable. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Flekstore website using Safari. On the homepage, tap the Get button to begin adding your device. Once the page loads, tap the Share button at the bottom of Safari, then scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. This will place the Flekstore shortcut directly on your home screen. After that, open the Flekstore icon you just added. Go to the Device tab and tap Add Device to register your iPhone or iPad with Flekstore. Then click Allow. Next, install the profile by going to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded and install Flekstore Profile to connect your device with Flekstore. Once your device is detected inside Flekstore, tap the Add Certificate button. This is where we're going to add the new signed certificate so Flekstore can install IPA Files. To get the certificate, open Safari and go to AppleJr.net. Then open the Certificate tab and download the new certificate from the top of the list. After the download finishes, open the zip file in the Files app. Extract the files. You'll see a mobile provision file and a P12 file. These are the files we will use. Now go back to Flekstore. Tap Select Mobile Provision, then choose the file from your Files app. Next, select the P12 file as well. When Flekstore asks for the password, enter WSF. Once both files are added successfully, your certificate is ready. Now you can install IPA Files directly using Flekstore. Before installing any apps using Flekstore, you need to install AppleJr DNS to help avoid revokes and keep your apps working longer. So open the AppleJr website again and tap the AppleJr DNS install button. A profile will download. Now go to Settings, tap Profile Downloaded, and then hit Install. Once the DNS profile is installed, Flekstore will work much more reliably. Now you're ready to install any IPA files directly from Flekstore without worrying about the certificate getting revoked easily. And that's it. That's how you set up the new Flekstore certificate, install AppleJr DNS, and install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.